Hello students. In previous video students, we have completed the sixth answer of our lesson number 10. Now we continue from lesson number question number 7. What did Gandhiji do to defy the salt law? Answer. Gandhiji along with his selected followers left for Dandi, a coastal town on 12th March 1930 with the objective to break the salt law. The 300 kilometers long march that was like a pilgrimage took 24 days to complete. On 5th April, when the Satyagrahis reached Dandi, they were surrounded by thousands of men and women. In the morning, at exactly 6:20 a.m., Gandhiji took out some salt from the pit and thus broke the law. His volunteers also did the same. Question number 8. Why was Gandhiji a great advocate of basic system of education? Being unsatisfied with the existing system of education, Gandhiji believed that an ideal system was that which promoted physical, mental and economic development of an individual. He laid great emphasis on the education of craft because it helped the student to learn various subjects. He used to say that if a boy piled chakra, its shape would help him in drawing geometrical circles and straight lines. He would also know about the production of wood and cotton. Once the boy became inquisitive, production of various handicrafts would help him in learning history, geography and several other subjects. In Africa, Gandhiji had already made several successful experiments in teaching several subjects by correlating them with craft. On his return to India at Sabarmati, he again followed the same system popularly known as basic education in order to educate the children at ashram. This system aimed at achieving two objectives. First, students should earn enough to pay for their education. Education should lead to a complete development of the body, mind and soul. Question number 9. What were Gandhiji's view about an ideal village? Answer. In the ideal village of his dreams, the people would grow corn for their food and cotton for their clothing. The village would have its own pasture for cattle and playground for children. Gandhiji did not approve of the cultivation of crops such as opium and tobacco, as he understood that they were harmful for people's health. The village would also have a theatre, a school and a community hall. The villagers were expected to produce everything on cooperative basis. Gandhiji further suggested that a power house to supply electricity would also be set up to modernize the village. Everyone would obey the law and the criminals would be provided only with reformative punishment. The people would lead a simple life. Gandhiji wished to see his ideology reflected in the village life. Question number 10. Under what circumstances did Gandhiji start the Quit India movement? What were its results? Answer. Circumstances under which Gandhiji started the Quit India movement. First, the condition of the Indians was miserable under the British rule. Second, the British government introduced various reforms to satisfy the Indians, but it would not implement them in their interest. Third, in such circumstances, Gandhiji was forced to start the Quit India movement. Result of Quit India movement. First, the administrative machinery almost collapsed at various places. Second, the movement made the British think seriously about leaving India. This movement inspired the Indians to fight against the Britishers with great enthusiasm. Question number 12. Write short notes on Sabarmati Ashram, Jallianwala Bagh massacres, Round Table Conference, Crisp Mission, Rowlatt Act. Now first is Sabarmati Ashram. Gandhiji was a lover of nature. On 15th May 1915, he set up the Sabarmati Ashram at a beautiful place called Ahmedabad, which is situated on the bank river of Sabarmati. The inmates of the ashram led a life of celibacy, non-violence, truth, asteya, non-stealing, and aparigrah means non-possession. They used things only made in India. They consumed simple food and had to work for themselves. They were not required to contribute to the finance of the ashram. So students, here we complete this lesson. So all of you have to write all the answers in your notebook and read this lesson once again.